Okay, so today's video is a little kitchen update slash utility declutter and deep clean. I feel like there's a lot to catch up on because we've gone from DIY in the kitchen to now getting a new kitchen, and I'm going to explain why. Because originally, if you would have seen the video before, we were going to DIY this kitchen. Paint the cupboards, change the worktop and the door handles, things like that, just to really give it a good refresh, make it more our style. But we found some gorgeous colours for the doors, like really lovely, and I was so happy with them. And even like the finish on the doors came out really nice. So if you haven't seen that video and you do want to paint your kitchen cupboard doors, because these are gloss and I know a lot of people are a bit like skeptical of that, go and give that video a watch, because I would have fully gone in and painted the cupboard doors because it came out really nice, and that was only with a roller. We were actually going to spray them with our spray gun, but yeah, the reason why we're not now is because we went and got a quote for the worktop. We picked 3 samples and they were quartz, so you know that does reflect on the price, but it came back at just over £1,000 for the worktop, and then the fitting was £2,500. So altogether £3,500 to put a new worktop in here, and that was without the sink, without the hob, without anything else. So we just then had to sit down and think, realistically, if we're painting the cupboards, do we really want to spend £3,500 on a worktop? Because my answer is no, I don't. Like, if I'm gonna spend £3,500, I would rather put it towards a kitchen. So we did go and have a look in B&Q. They had a 25% off sale, which is so amazing, like off a whole kitchen. That's such like a big chunk of money. And we picked a cupboard door colour. They designed it all. It's pretty much the same as this, but we are going to have an extra cupboard on this side next to the fridge here, so we can have like storage for food, which will be really nice. And yeah, the whole kitchen, when we first went in and designed this space, it was just under 5,000. So when we looked at it, we were like, realistically, do we really want to pay £3,500 to have sort of a glow up, or £5,000 and that includes a whole kitchen, ovens, like everything, the sink, the hob, dishwasher, like the lot. So then we had, I think it was about 4 days to decide, because the sale was going to end. We were like, if we're doing the kitchen, we need to do the utility, which is something that I discussed previously and said we weren't going to do until the bathrooms and stuff in the house were done, because that is kind of like our little decorating centre at the moment. But because it had the 25% off and we're doing the kitchen, so like we need to do the utility really at the same time, we decided to pop that in as well. And then I really wanted to change like a few things. So we found actually a nicer worktop that was a little bit more, but it wasn't as much as quartz. It's kind of in between. So we've gone for that worktop. And something else we changed, because then you know how it is, like we're going around having a look at the ovens and having a look at the dishwashers, and we were like, we'd really like a hot water tap. And actually, I thought these taps were about £2,000 and it was £300. So I thought that was really good. So we popped one of them on, and then I don't know, it kind of just got a bit out of hand. But for a new kitchen with a new oven, which has an integrated microwave, we've got the hot water tap, we've got a new dishwasher, we've got a new sink, we have a new hob, extractor fan, like everything in here, as well as a washing machine in there and extra cupboards in there and in here. we're now sitting at around 9,000. So we have placed the order. Now sometimes I do think like, I don't know how I feel about that, because this was just going to be a kitchen makeover and now it's turned into a whole new kitchen. But on the scale of things, I think that is a good price. So yes, that's where we're at with the kitchen. So there won't be any kitchen updates until, I would say, I think it's coming like the first week of April, which means we will have to take all of this out. We are doing it ourselves, apart from the worktop, because I need to get that like properly cut in, because I don't want to ruin it and then have to buy another one. So yeah, we're looking at the start of April, which is around 2 months' time, because we're now coming into February, or you may even be watching this in February. So yeah, when we do finally start this kitchen makeover, I will definitely show you everything and just take you along the kitchen makeover journey. Yeah. Do you think I'm doing the right thing? Sometimes I do have a little moment and I'm like, is this the right thing to do? But at the end of the day, like, I'm probably going to be in this house now for a while. And the guy in B&Q, he did actually say to us, you know, because we were toying again with quartz worktops, but it would have been like quite a lot more. But he said, like, don't put a kitchen in what's like really expensive for someone else to move into if you know that you're going to move out, which I don't know if I'm going to move out or not, but I don't feel like this is our forever home. I feel like this is our family home for the minute, and like, who knows what's going to happen. It's turned into a whole other conversation, but yeah, I thought I would just update you all, and yeah, I will share that all with you when we start that process. But for today, I thought I could sort out this space in here, because this is not going to be a dumping ground and a decorating centre anymore. This will potentially be our little kitchen while the other part is being done. So I'm going to need to probably wash up and stuff in here, and at the moment this just isn't it, is it? So I'm going to have a good declutter, and I know this isn't happening for a little while yet, but I thought I would start it now and just get this place sorted, and this is one of the jobs on my list for today. And I do have an empty cupboard missing here, and that is because that is the one that we did the samples on. There's the colours, look how lush are they. Actually, I must say that colour is very similar to the one that we have chosen, and this is the colour that was similar to the shaker style one, but I did think it would be a bit dark, so yeah, it kind of looks a bit like that one, I feel, but we'll see when it comes. So yeah, first thing I'm going to do is just tidy up in here, declutter, get rid of anything, and then when the work surface is clear, I'll be able to have a good clean. Okay, so this is where we're up to. So this box is, I think, stuff that needs to go out. I've just put it all in a box. They can actually go in there. This needs to stay in here. This is like a bucket of cleaning stuff. Lots of bags, so I'm going to fold them up and put them neatly. And then that paint and these are going to go in the garage, and that little cover there. And then up here, this is all clear now. Is that one empty actually? That one's empty, so that can go. I've really disliked this tray at the moment, but that's the least of my worries. So I'm going to clean all this down, all of this. I'm just going to give these a quick little scrub and they can be drying. Need to wash that out. And then my fabric softener can go in there. This is what I use to clean the pet bowls with. Why has that got paint on it? I don't know. And then I'm just going to have a good deep clean along here. I'm keeping that in here and I'm keeping these in here. And actually, just a little side note, in here I've got all this space up here, so when I do have the utility fitted, I've got extra cupboards going in here so I can put things like this, because I actually really don't have a lot of storage. I've got this cupboard which has like the pet stuff in, and then I've got this cupboard which is sort of not well used, that's just sort of overstock. And then in here, I hate this cupboard as well because these ones go all the way to the back and you just like, I just fill them with pointless stuff really. Laundry products, I don't know, glass jars. And then over here, we're going to have the washing machine integrated when we do. And there'll be an extra cupboard here because at the minute my cat's bed is just there. So yeah, not that you wanted a utility tour, but that's where I'm up to. So I'm now going to wipe down all the sides and clean this sink, and hopefully I can bring it up to be a little less filthy. Do you? You always want to help, don't you, hey?
Yeah.
What can help?
Yeah, my can.
Mummy's finished now. See, they're all clean.
I found the word.
We might be able to find something for you to clean.
Where's it?
Clever boy.
Where's it?
That's it. Well done, Manny. It's nice and clean.